In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Weebly website. This process is straightforward and will only take you a few minutes to complete, so let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Weebly website. If you already have a bookmark for Weebly, that will make accessing it even quicker. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. You can do this either by entering your email and password or by using an available single sign-on option if your account supports it. This will take you straight to the Weebly dashboard, which is where all the action happens. Now that you're in the dashboard, focus your attention on the left-hand side where you'll see a menu. Click on the Items tab, which will then give you more options. From this new set of options, select Site Items. This is where you will be able to manage the products you want to feature on your website. At this point, the next task is to choose the type of product you're planning to sell. Weebly gives you several types to choose from, such as physical goods, digital products, services, or even event tickets. Select the one that best fits the product you're offering, as this helps Weebly provide the most relevant settings and options for your product type. With the product type selected, you'll now need to enter the item details. Here's where you bring your product to life on the website. Start by giving your product a name that clearly reflects what it is. A clear and concise name can enhance searchability and provide customers with immediate recognition of what you're offering. Then, upload a compelling photo of the product. High-quality images not only attract customers, but also help in better understanding what they can expect. Don't forget to craft an engaging and informative description. This text should tell a story about your product, highlighting its unique features and benefits, and convincing potential customers why they need it. Besides, you'll want to enter details such as the remaining stocks, pricing, and any other specifics relevant to your inventory management. Finally, once you have filled in all the necessary information and double-checked each section for accuracy, look for the Save button. Clicking Save will ensure your product is added to your inventory and is ready to be displayed on your site. Be assured knowing that your efforts will pay off when potential customers browse your offerings. And there you have it. Adding a product to your Weebly website is as simple as that. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your site is not only functional, but also attractive to your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on your Weebly website.